Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick introduction to the video you're about to see. This is a trip I went on with a friend of mine to Armidale, which we spent the night up there, and then we cut back the next day through Tamworth and then went down the Putty Road. I really hope you enjoy it. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks.
Alright, just leaving the meet-up point, heading up to Newcastle from Northmead. New bars, feeling great, love it. It'll be a good test for it. A couple 100 k's the first leg, so we'll check in then. K's down, first stop to get fuel and some coffee. Super easy that first 200, so I think we're doing about 300 odd K's now to the next stop, so we'll see how that goes. day so far. Just stopped up to get some more fuel. Now we're heading to Armidale, which is where we'll be staying the night. So probably got another 45 minutes ahead of us. Alright, we've made it. Staying at the Abbots Lee Motor Inn. What a great ride. Oh, shit. These bars are awesome. Bikes both held up pretty well. Seat was comfortable. I think we did 509 Ks. Well, it's the morning of day 2 here at Armidale. A little bit chilly this morning. The bikes have got ice on them. But this morning we're looking to head out to the waterfall, about 20 minutes away from where we're staying. And then we'll turn back, head towards Tamworth, and then hopefully head back down the back way. I think it's through Singleton, Putty Road, and then back home. So that should be a good ride. I think it's about 6.5 hours of riding plus stops on top of that. So it'll be a decent day. But I'll just show you the bikes when we're staying. It's the complex. It's nice and quiet and hidden. Yeah. Our poor bike, huh? Here's Darren's. All iced over. Hope my seat's not too bad. Yeah, perfect. This is the room. Nice and cozy. Bathroom. Easy. Good. All laid up. Ready for day 2. Let's go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
off to Tamworth. Let's go.
Today's gonna be a good day, wake up. Today's gonna be a good day, wake up. Today's gonna be a good day, wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Quick bite to eat at Tamworth, and we're heading to Muswellbrook, about 150 odd kilometres. Then we'll reassess from there. Might not make it down the putty road before nightfall. We'll see how we go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's...
We've made it to the putty road, and it's getting quite dark. Fingers crossed, eh?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the
Putty road at night. What the?
Look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces.